Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal Friday here. Boy, what a Friday it's been, right? Some great short opportunities, some great long side opportunities, wonderful stuff. In fact, let's get a couple things because I'm actually done trading here. I'm going to call it quits right before noon here and go enjoy time getting ready for the weekend, spending time with you guys, spending time with my kids. Got a lot of wonderful things going and taking place here this afternoon into the evening. So let's talk about a couple of things here. First of all, before we even get started into talk about some of the trading in my live account, I want to remind everybody here, volume rollover. So when it comes to futures trading, we are in that process right now. The best way to do volume rollover is pull up the old contract, which in this case is the March contract, and compare it against the June contract. I do that typically on a 5-minute chart. So as I walked in this morning here, I saw that like here on the big bar with the news release, we had 53,000 traded there on that 5-minute bar. On the same 5-minute bar on the June contract, we had only 26,000. So basically it was 2-to-1 ratio still in the March contract. Hence, when I did my live trading here today and grossed the $1,525, I went ahead and did that in the March past performance non-indicative future results, of course, as always, but that's what I did in my live trading there. Now, so I just want to remind people, put up the March contract, put up the June contract, compare the current 5-minute bars, and until you get more volume in the 5-minute June contract, stick with the March contract. All right, let's get into the rest of it here. All right, so as we get back over here to the charts, a couple things to note here. Right off the bat this morning, coming in even before the U.S. Open, with the economic data, we had sell-side indications. The market was going down there, and there was some great pre-market opportunities. Wonderful. But then what was really exciting is after the U.S. Open this morning, so a lot of times whatever happens into the U.S. Open quickly gets reversed. That was not the case today at all, which opened up some really great opportunities to the short side. So basically we had blue dots in a downtrend here. You can see the downtrend. You can see we're below that important zero line. You're breaking, fresh red dots or blue dots breaking down below are re-entry and sell side opportunities. Well, you see this market charged right down there to target 2 here today before going ahead and bouncing. Now, to put that in perspective, that was about a 29-point move or 27-point move from that area right here even on the red dot, let alone up above. It was about a 27-point move to the downside there. So great stuff on a per contract basis when you think about that. So then it turned around and then the market started going buy side. Now, that being said, we did not break above this important line until a little bit later. So from my perspective, for the average trader that's becoming a calculated trader, I think it's better to wait. And if we're too close to the target 2, then it's better to wait for the next opportunity to come in. Well, look what happened. The red dot fired off in that uptrend above that magic important line here and broke right back up there, fired off sell signals. And if you look at that, it had quite a move to the upside. Even from the close of this bar here, you're talking roughly the 39.15 area, and it went up there to right around the 39.34 area. So another 19 points there. So when you think about that in terms of just even a single contract of potential opportunities there, you're talking about a pretty healthy move there of over $2,300 approximately in gross opportunity there. So really great stuff there. What I want to do is, so I want to talk to you about some of the trades that I made. I want to into tomorrow morning. What I really want to do is I want to show you even more cool things and how you can find more of these opportunities as they're coming in, not after they've passed you by. So make sure if you didn't join me Wednesday and then have immediately a wonderful view of the market going into Thursday here yesterday, then join me tomorrow morning here. Come and do this one more time tomorrow morning. It's been months since we've gone ahead and done this last. It was last year. And so I want to give you one more chance to go and be with me live tomorrow morning to ask questions, learn from these things, see what I'm doing in my live trading here. You cannot afford to miss this. It's going to be an exciting time together. So with that being said, go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. And what you'll do is you just, first name and email address, the usual stuff, phone number if you want a text alert there. And we will look forward to seeing you there bright and early for that very special event. And you saw how great it was and the new things I shared with you on Wednesday. So you want to make sure you build upon that going into tomorrow morning. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Celebrate the successes of those wonderful short short side moves and then long side moves there. And then I'll give you an update on the market as a whole there when we're together tomorrow morning as well. So I'll see you shortly. Go to becomebeartrader.com/go. Have a great rest of the day, gang. I'll see you in the morning. Bye-bye.